Is True Silhouette Boutique a scam in 2026, or are they just misunderstood? Let's cut through the hype and get straight to the fast take. First up, yes, True Silhouette Boutique at TrueSilhouetteCo.com is a real business. They do ship orders and they're very much active, especially with those big moving sale banners everywhere. But before you rush to fill your cart, here's what you need to know. The good news? They're not an outright scam. But the bad news is, I'd call them unreliable at best. Here's why. A lot of shoppers say what arrives in the mail looks nothing like the site's glossy photos. Think cheap polyester when you expected breezy linen, or clothes that run so small they'd barely fit your cat. Now, about those easy returns. On paper, they sound simple. In real life, you'll be paying to ship your order all the way back to China, sometimes costing more than the refund itself. That's the classic return trap you see with so many dropshipping boutiques. And if you're tempted by those mega discounts, remember, experts say these 70% off sales and limited stock warnings are usually just sales tactics to make you buy fast and think later. One more thing. Don't confuse True Silhouette Boutique with the super reputable Silhouette Boutique in Puerto Rico. They're not the same, so double-check which store you're reading reviews for. So, what's my verdict? True Silhouette is legitimate, but risky. Only buy if you're cool with the idea that your item might not fit, not look as pictured, and that returning it could be a hassle. If you still want to give them a shot, protect yourself. Pay with a credit card or PayPal for easy chargebacks. Reverse image search their photos, and always check recent comments on their socials for honest feedback. Play it safe and happy shopping.